Okay, YouTube, and all you MadMax lovers out there, just finished working on this for a whole month. MadMax monster truck. I did one video earlier of the build up. This is the final day. Picked up these beautiful aluminum wheels on eBay. All billet aluminum, beautiful workmanship. Extra speed aluminum shocks. See all the extra 50 caliber shells laying on the deck from the machine gun. Of course, here I gotta get the sound going for you. Very detailed motor. Like the MadMax movies. I put dual blowers on it. Treated the axles, of course, with my rust solution. It is a metal gear servo. Steel drive shafts. Aluminum links. I do have steel gears in the transmission. Okay, sorry about it. It's kind of hard with one hand. And we'll get the audio going for you. Lights and taillights, of course. And you never know out in the desert when you might need to fire up a little grill. Throw some burgers on there for the guys. Going on eBay this evening. Thanks for checking it out.